When you eat Thai food, you have all kind of flavor, aroma, herbs. It's mouthfeel, it's big flavor. And then turn that into cocktail, adding some savory, adding some fragrance. With that, people love it over here. My name is Chacha Suwincha Singsuwan. I am the Beverage Director of Bangkok Supper Club here in New York. Bangkok Supper Club is authentic Thai food with innovations. Chef Max Vitowat, his background is French cuisine, and he bring a lot of the French technique and incorporate into Thai food. But then again, we serve a traditional, authentic like flavor. To introduce some new flavor, it's a little bit of the fun time for us as a team at Bangkok Supper Club. Thai food, when you go for dinner, you mostly order 4 or 5 different things and share. It's family style. It's nearly impossible to pair cocktail with your food. So what we're doing over here is we uplifting, we elevating. You have to have all 5 flavors: salty, sweet, sour, umami, savory. The savory cocktail brings benefit when it comes to aperitivo. It makes you want to drink more, it makes you want to eat more. Fermentations playing a big part as well, how to preserve the food. And then with that, taking some idea and incorporate into the cocktails. I have a fish sauce cocktail. Fish sauce cocktail, it's very, very different, but in very, very excellent in a way, using fish sauce, gin, cabbage broth, some lemon, pear, and then use milk to like round it up and clarify them. From milk to making it a little bit velvety, you can get some fish sauce, but it's not too scary. It doesn't taste like food at all. It tastes more like the cocktail. So that is very good like example for the savory cocktail. I create menu cocktail for both restaurant and bar. It's very different. When you create a cocktail for bar, mostly you are thinking of how is the atmosphere, how do you wanna like translate yourself and showcase your work. It's going to be 100% authentic and from within yourself. But when you create for restaurant, you have to cooperate with chef a lot. We have to know that what kind of food we're serving. We have to understand that what is the chef having in mind and how he see the visions, and we collaborate that flavor into the food menu. I communicate with the guests a lot. I like to talk to the guests. I like to chat. I love to hear their opinions always. They would share what they love and they would share what they experience and take that and create and turn into the ideas. In that case, I love the cocktail and I know the guests will love the cocktails. I was so honored to receive a Michelin Exceptional Cocktail 2024. I am the first Thai and still the only Thai bartender that received that. I would say one of the most proudest moments in my life. Me and the team was over the moon. So happy. This is something that we did not expect at all. What we try to do is we try to deliver the best innovations, classic and neat cocktail as much as possible, accommodate with the Thai hospitality that we offer, more friendly, more comforting. The cocktail that I'm most proud of in the menu is Truffle Pandan. That cocktail I've been developed since 2015. It's umami, it is savory, but in the meantime, it have a big, bold flavor of fragrance. And this is the latest editions, the 2024 editions this is probably the final. This is the best version so far. Very elegant, very neat, very tidy, but in the meantime, it has such a big flavor that people love it. For the prep work, it's a very long process, but it's good process too. So the way that we try and achieve here is we try to be fast. I would like the cocktail to be served within 5 minutes. You arrive, so you don't have to wait while you're seeing and browse through our menu. Cocktail needs to be there first. So to me, 80% preparation, 20% operation. So all the prep work go through the back of the house, which I prep every single one myself. It's not about controlling the quality. It's about when I get to I use my hand, do the craft myself, it's learning the new ingredients as well. So everything that we do in the back, it's 100% me. How can I incorporate the entire food menu into the entire cocktail list? That's going to be the new challenge, but that's going to be so much fun because did you see the ingredients at Bangkok Supper Club? A lot of them are imported and some of them we're sourcing locally. Each of the ingredients, each season tastes different. The kitchen works their magic to translate and maintain the flavor and consistency in the restaurant. If I could turn that into a perfect cocktail list and it tastes really, really amazing and excellent, that would be the proud moment, and I'm looking forward to do that in the future.